strength, and what are you working on here?
I'm working on a rod right now, 1-inch rod. I'm putting on some threads, 3/4 by 16. So I just put my 60-degree angle there, and I put my undercut up against that shoulder, and I'm about to thread right now.
Okay, go ahead.
Then I just shut it off, and then I get my thread pitch gauge.
Can you show me?
It just shows you how many threads per inch there is. So this one's 16. Then I just put it on there and match it up with the grooves I just made, and it fits. So that means I set my machine up to make the 16 threads per inch. Now I just go back and cut more until it fits on this. So I'm getting pretty close. I want to check it so I don't go too far. So it just barely starts threading on. It's kind of hard. So I'm pretty close. Maybe 1 or 2 more thousandths. And you don't want it sloppy. We have a chart here that says this is the threads per inch chart. 100% thread, 80% thread, 65% thread. Yeah, but we go 80% thread most of the time. So that seems pretty good. That's going on there. Pretty good. No backlash or anything.
So you're happy with it?
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that.
All right. So, and what's that going to be used for?
This is a rod and a cylinder. This goes on the eye, which would connect to whatever they're moving up and down in their machine. So,
all right.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for your time.
No problem.